This is another problem, small problem I'm having. This indoor custom built house has what's called a Japanese garden, which has concrete walls that were put up in 1967 and stone benches that are really cool. But you've got access to the living room of the house. You also have a window looking out the kitchen of the house, and you have a French door that looks out of the living room towards the house. And I've decided to make a little bird watching place. My birds will go after this feeder right here, but this new one, they won't touch it. So I'm going to move this other feeder around, probably over where this one is, and see if they like it better. A lot of the birds will hide in this big green shrubbery right here, and they'll just poke their noses out and they will eat, and they'll go back in. It is really nice to watch birds, especially at my age. You know, it's for old people. Well, yeah, I guess I'm old. Anyway, that's my next thing I'm doing. These are just decorative.